Today in this video, we're going to be talking about top 3 mistakes that people make while they make meditation music. So the first thing is that if you are making meditation music, then you should never buy meditation music from Fiverr, because what happens sometimes if you go onto Fiverr, and then you will be able to see that they provide music just not to you, but they can also sell it to other people, and it is a form of repetitious content that will YouTube not tolerate, and that will demonetize your channel. And whenever they do that, it will be really tough for you. Why? Because you have put in your money, and after that they are not liable to give you another music, because they have already given it to someone else, and they might give it to 10 or 20 other people. So it's a form of repetitious content, and that is why they will not be actually be able to, you are mainly not be able to monetize the whole thing. And whenever you are not be able to monetize the whole thing, then I think it's of no use to make a meditation music just for fun, because you have put in your capital up there. So this is one of the reasons. The second reason is to not make repetitious content yourself. So what happens is that many people go onto pixels just like this, and after that they go onto the videos and they find some relaxing videos just like this, and after that they actually use it for their videos. Make sure that you should not make it repetitious. And what I mean is that you should not use the same images or videos again and again, and it should not. For example, if you go onto pixels or if you go onto Pixabay, you should never use the same images or videos again and again, or the same audio even again and again. It will make it repetitious. So what you can do is that you can basically transform the whole thing so that you can be getting monetized. And after that, the third thing is giving up too early. So what happens is that many people give up too early before they see results just like this, before they see results like 4.4 million in 5 months, 7.9 million in 7 months, and you can see 7 years. And just imagine this, if the person would have stopped in 7 years, do you think it would have been worth it? No, right? So what is the secret? Is to not give up early. So I want to conclude the whole thing in one single sentence, and that is keep growing, keep improving until you become successful in that niche that you have chosen for yourself.